If you've sold cryptocurrency or NFTs this year, you need to fill out Form 8949. It can be difficult to track the information needed to fill out this form, especially if you have multiple transactions in a given year. In this video, we'll explain what Form 8949 is and walk through a step-by-step process on how to fill it out. Stay tuned, you're watching CoinLedger. What is Form 8949? Whenever you dispose of property, including real estate, stocks, and cryptocurrency, you're required to report those transactions on Form 8949 when you do your taxes. Examples of crypto disposals include selling your cryptocurrency for US dollars, trading your crypto for another cryptocurrency, or making a purchase with crypto. All of these transactions need to be reported on Form 8949. Form 8949 is divided into two sections, short-term and long-term. If you're reporting sales on crypto held less than 12 months, use the short-term section. For sales of crypto held more than 12 months, report these in the long-term section. Remember, long-term disposals are taxed at lower rates. Next, on Form 8949, you'll be asked whether your transactions were reported to you on Form 1099-B. At this time, most cryptocurrency exchanges don't issue 1099-B forms, so you'll most likely want to select option C or option F. Starting in the 2023 tax year, crypto brokers will be required to issue 1099-Bs, in which case you'll select one of the other options if this applies. Now let's go through an example of how to fill out Form 8949. Ben buys $300 of Bitcoin. Ben then trades his Bitcoin for $400 of Ethereum. Finally, Ben sells his Ethereum for $600. We'll go through each one of these events step by step. First, Ben buys $300 of Bitcoin. Buying cryptocurrency with US dollars is not considered taxable, so we wouldn't report this on Form 8949. In the second transaction, Ben trades his Bitcoin for Ethereum. This would be considered a disposal of his Bitcoin, which is a taxable event. We would need to report this transaction on Form 8949. Ben would need to report on Form 8949 the date he bought his Bitcoin, his cost basis, in this case $300, the date he disposed of his Bitcoin, and his gross proceeds, $400. His capital gain would be his gross proceeds minus his cost basis, which would come out to $100. On to the last transaction, where Ben sells his Ethereum for $600. Selling your cryptocurrency for US dollars is a taxable event, so he would need to report the same required info as last time on Form 8949. He reports the date acquired, the cost basis, he acquired the ETH for $400, the date sold, and his proceeds. He sold for $600. Once Ben is finished reporting all of his disposals on Form 8949, he would need to take his total net gain or loss and report it on Schedule D. How CoinLedger can help. Of course, that was a simple example. Many crypto investors have dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of trades across multiple exchanges and wallets. In these cases, filling out Form 8949 manually requires a lot of time and effort. Luckily, CoinLedger can help. CoinLedger automatically integrates with exchanges like Coinbase and wallets like MetaMask to help you generate complete capital gains and income reports in minutes. When you're done, you can import your tax reports directly into platforms like TurboTax or send them to your tax professional. Get started with a completely free preview report. The link is in the description. If you have any questions on Form 8949, drop a comment. Our tax team will be happy to provide answers. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time, I'm Miles Brooks. Thanks for watching.